All right, hi everybody. In reviewing some of your responses, I see that some of you guys had difficulty with number 5 from the practice set. So I thought I'd crank out a quick video going over this solution. We are looking for the missing length here, simplify all radicals. So we're looking for this hypotenuse right here. How do we know it's a hypotenuse? Well, it's a right triangle and is the largest side, and it is opposite a 90-degree. So we call the hypotenuse C, and the two legs are A and B. And we know that the Pythagorean theorem states that if we square the sum of the two legs, it equals the square of the hypotenuse. Okay, so let's put it in. 5 root 3, and that's a 3, look like a B. 5 root 3 squared, we want to square the whole thing, plus 5 squared equals C squared. Okay, so remember, when we square something, it's the same as multiplying it times itself. So 5 times 5 is 25. Root 3 times root 3 is root 9. And this 5 times 5 over here is 25. So what is the square root of 9? It's 3. So when we take a number like root 4 times root 4, basically it gets rid of the square root. So square root of 4 squared, this root and the square cancel each other out. Okay, so this would give us 3. So 25 times 3 plus 25. This is 75 plus 25 is 100. And we have to get rid of the square here. So when I take the square root of both sides, I get 10. It could be plus or minus 10, but we know that these distances are lengths and they need to be positive. So the solution is 10. All right.